This mirror is perfect for an entryway, a bathroom, or a bedroom. I have the 30-inch one in the color natural, but it also comes in brown walnut and in a 20-inch size. It is made with real wood and it was actually handcrafted, and it is very good quality. It was very easy to install, especially since it comes with this installation template that you can tape up on your wall so you know exactly where to drill screws the first time, and it'll help you avoid mistakes. These holes in the wall are not for mistakes, they're just from hanging different things here in the past. It hangs very securely on your wall because it has these two sawtooth hangers attached to the back. And I love this extra touch. There is this QR code that in case you're missing the hardware or the instructions and the template and how to install it, you can get what you're missing just by scanning that code. It was also very well packaged for shipping. Along with the instructions, they also include the screws and anchors you're gonna need to hang it up, so that's really handy to have. It also comes with these two 5x7 frames, which are a nice bonus that you can of course display photos in or even artwork.